Hi guys, welcome to my channel Creative Tricks. In this video we are going to make daylight stand. You have to take the PVC pipes of different sizes and several joints. You have to take materials like a holder, a PVC gum, a light and a wire. Let's start making our light stand. Now take a T-joint and put the 20 cm piece to the both sides of the T-joint. Take another 2 T-joints and put the middle part to the PVC pipes. Now take 25 cm pieces and put it to the both sides of the T-joints. Now take elbow joints and put it to the end of the PVC pipes. Now take 40 cm 2 pieces and put in the middle of the elbow joints. Stick all the joints with PVC gum. Now take 80 cm piece and make a hole in the corner of the PVC pipe. Now fix it to the T-joint and stick it with PVC gum. Now take the wire and put it in the hole and take out from the top of the PVC pipe. Now take an elbow joint and put it into the wire and put on the top of the PVC pipe. Now take a 10 cm piece and put it to the elbow joint. Take another elbow joint and put it to the 10 cm PVC pipe. Now take 36 cm piece and put it to the elbow joint. Take out the wires from the PVC pipe. Now take another elbow joint and put it to the 36 cm piece. Now take 10 cm piece and put it to the elbow joint. Now take another elbow joint and put it to the 10 cm piece. Now take 18 cm piece and put it to the elbow joint. Take out the wires out of the PVC pipes. Connect the wires to the LED light holder and put it to the PVC pipe. Now take the LED light and put it to the holder. Our daylight stand is ready. Let's go for testing the light stand. You can fold the light stand. Let's on the light. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel.